Hey guys, and welcome back to the Spruce and Linen channel. I'm Janelle, and today we're going to talk a little bit about batch working. So basically, I've got a market that I'm doing in about 2 months, and I'm feeling a little bit behind. But I've been on Instagram and Pinterest lately, and I've seen other weavers do this where they take their loom, they put about 3 warps on it, and then they make a bunch of mini woven wall hangings at the same time. And I was like, that is brilliant. I need to do something like that because I need to pump out the work quickly. Like sometimes it is not as much about the creativity as it is about productivity. So I decided to give that a try this weekend, and I'm just going to show you a little time lapse of me doing that, and then I'll tell you my biggest takeaways of batch working after. Alright, so I did 6 woven wall hangings all at the same time this weekend. I did that in one day, which is crazy. And I had 3 main takeaways from doing this. This was my first time doing batch working, so I wasn't sure how I'd feel about it because I'm kind of someone who likes to jump from one activity to the next. But the first takeaway I had was how nice it was to just like take out all my supplies, pump out 6 weavings, and be able to put them all away knowing I wasn't going to need them until I start another project. So that's really nice because I like to work upstairs in our main area and my studio is downstairs, so it's a lot of back and forth, which wastes a lot of time, really. And then the next thing was it was a really smart choice to do the same design 6 times over. And all I was doing was switching up the colors a little bit. So that really saved a lot of time because it allowed me to really get into the groove of that design. And also I had my reference right there. So I just looked at the last one I did and copied it that way instead of having to bring up a picture on my computer or any other number of ways to reference what you're doing. And then the third one was just that I just felt super productive. Like seeing those 6 wall hangings on one loom just made me feel like I'm leaps and bounds ahead of where I was before I did this project. And so now I know that if I do that a few more times, I'm gonna have a really nice big inventory. And even if you're not prepping for a market or an online shop or anything like that, I think it's a really good exercise to try out. If you're just starting weaving, picking a design and doing it 6 times over is gonna really help you solidify your weaving skills and get a better feel for it. And also at the end of it, you have 6 woven wall hangings that you can use for gifts or whatever it is. So if you have any other productivity tips or efficiency tips, please let me know in the comments below because I probably need all of them. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.